This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features which include power windows, steering wheel controls, a CD player, airbags, a four-wheel anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 75,000 miles. The steadfast 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, has the torque and power that you need to get the job done. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.